Let's walk you through styling your hair with the Aire 360 ceramic blowout kit using the soft air rough drying attachment as well as the oval brush attachment. First thing you're going to want to do is detangle and towel dry your hair. So I've got my brush from the Detangle Duo, and I'll just make sure my hair is nice and detangled and prepped. And I can take out any last bit of moisture using my turban towel. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my dryer. Now that my hair is rough dry, it's about 80% dry. There's just a little bit of freestanding water in there, but even though my hair feels wet when I put my hands in it, my hands are completely dry when I take them out. I like to detangle my hair once more just to kind of make sure it's prepped and ready to start styling with my oval brush attachment. So we'll go ahead and do that here. Now I'm going to switch out the attachments. So we'll take off the soft air rough drying attachments. And we'll go ahead and place on the oval brush attachment. Kind of hearing it click into place. And then I'm going to start sectioning my hair. So you want to style in sections that are about 3 to 4 inches thick. So what we recommend doing is take sort of that top half of your hair. And then I like to pull my hair forward, sort of splitting it in half again. So now we're just dealing with quarters of the hair. And then I'll style in 3 to 4 inch sections. I'm going to turn on the tool on high heat, high speed. I'm going to place the tool under my section and slowly move it through my strands. You can always utilize the Cool Touch tip here for added leverage and control. You can already see the difference when we're styling using the oval brush here. See that beautiful shine, that gorgeous volume. Just a real nice before and after starting to emerge here. There's a couple of incredible features that make achieving these results so easy. One is you've got the ceramic coating on the tool. You're going to utilize the front side of the brush here, and you're going to let gravity do the work and simply brush down. This encourages the hair to sit in a sleeker, straighter fashion, so you get those beautiful, sleek, straight results. Now, if you want that sky-high, beautiful, stunning, bouncy volume, you're going to want to utilize the round side of the brush and work from underneath the section, going like this to create ultimate volume and lift. Now, if you want to create more of a soft or broken wave as you're styling, start with the volume technique and work from underneath. Twist the hair like so, really setting a beautiful bounce and wave. And then as the hair cools, you're going to get more of that broken wave in there. And then lastly, on your final pass with each section, you're going to want to press and hold the temperature button. This turns on the cool shot, and that's going to help set your style and also impart just a little bit of extra shine. You'll find that the Ceragloss ceramic coating on the brush gives you beautiful shine as you're styling your hair, whereas the even stream vents give you that even airflow for fast and quick styling, and these vegan nylon boar bristles help to grip the hair and give you that lovely tension that you need to really style your hair while still making it super easy to glide the brush through. So that gives you just a beautiful, even distribution of heat, and it helps you heat up the tool just slightly, giving you long-lasting results, almost acting like a hot roller as this is in your hair. You're going to have these fabulous bristles here. You've got these longer bristles that just sort of penetrate the hair, and these sort of squattier gray bristles. Those are meant to be a vegan boar bristle. They're made out of nylon, but they act like a boar bristle. So you get just this beautiful, immense tension on your hair while maintaining incredible glide. So you get these stunning results, but it's still easy to achieve. You've also got the Cool Touch tip here. So as you're styling, you can create some really fun and beautiful results, just a little bit more effortlessly because you have a little bit more control. It's so easy to create an absolutely effortless, beautiful, salon-worthy blowout at home using the T3 Aire 360 ceramic blowout kit with the oval brush. Just remember, start by rough drying your hair, and then you're going to use the oval brush, place it at your roots, and take 3 to 4 inch sections. Apply tension as you pull through the hair to get these beautiful, stunning, shiny, voluminous results every single time.